has fallen still. The mind no longer pulls away, but listens to the will. What once was work now turns to art, the effort soft and clear. The soul stands upright in its light, no longer bound by fear. Three movements flow as one clear stream, no edges left apart. The focused mind, the silent gaze, the merging of the heart. No longer turning inward just to leave the world behind, but meeting life from deeper truth with awakened sight and mind. The earlier steps have cleared the path and steadied every part. The body calm, the currents even, the senses rest their charge. Now consciousness can reach within to what the surface hides, to subtle truths and inner laws where deeper meaning lives. Three movements flow as one clear stream, no edges left apart. The focused mind, the silent gaze, the merging of the heart. No longer turning inward just to leave the world behind, but meeting life from deeper truth with awakened sight and the soul no longer seeks escape from thought or form or sound. It stands awake, engaged and clear with both feet on the ground. No drifting dream, no hollow peace, no silence cut from life, but presence shaped by